I was so much stressed about my JEE Mains exams. I knew all the questions, but still I chose wrong options. All of you must have gone through a lot of struggles, a lot of family problems, a lot of financial problems. Coming from a village, I never shared with you all the problems which I have faced. In class 10th, they will tell you if you get the best marks, then your life will be set. Then in class 12th, if you get really good marks, your life will be set. Then in entrance examination, if you get the top ranks, your life will be set. You should get the best college in the country or in the world. Then they will say that if you get the best marks in your college, if you remain the topper, then your life will be set. Then if you get the best placement, then your life will be set. Then if you get a job, you need to get better and better promotions and keep getting higher and higher salary, then your life will be set. Then if you get married, your life will be set. Two most beautiful women if possible. So trust me, life will never be set this way. If we keep imagining something in future, it will never be set. Just imagine when you were in class 10th, the hardest thing you felt was the examination of class 10th board. When you were in class 11, the hardest thing for you was qualifying class 11, passing class 11. When you were in 12th, the hardest thing was that you qualify class 12. So what I am saying is, a lot of students who are messaging me right now, they even have 96, 97 percentile in their JEE Mains. They are equally sad. The people who have only 80 percentile in JEE Mains, they are also sad. People who have 75 percentile, they are also sad. People having 90 percentile, they are also sad. So the reality is, why is everyone sad? Trust me, the harsh reality is, even if 1 lakh people out of all of you, let's say there are only 200 seats in NISER, right? Even if 70,000-80,000 people who all give next examination, all of you get 100% marks, all of you get 150 out of 150 marks, then also only 200 of you will be selected. Similarly in JEE Mains, even if all the 11-12 lakh students who give the JEE Mains examination, all of you get 100% marks, it's still only few thousand of you will be selected to the top NITs because that's only the seats they have. Even if all the 18 lakh students who give NEET examination, even if all of you get 100% marks, not all of you are going to get those colleges. So what I want to say is, please don't think about the result. The control which you have right now is what you can do, and if you're not happy, then in the actual exam you're going to mess it up. From class 9 to class 12th, I was the topper of my school. I was district topper in my class 12. In first attempt, I could not qualify next examination. I could not qualify KVPY when I was in class 11th. I could not qualify NEST when I was in class 12th. I could not qualify in KVPY again when I was in class 12th. I could not qualify JEE Advanced in my first attempt. In my first attempt, I got almost 32,000 rank in JEE Mains. In second attempt I was able to do it. So what I am saying is, there are a lot of factors. Just before the exam I fell ill. Who knew this? For whole year I was one of the topper in my coaching, and then I was having fever, chicken pox just 1 month before the JEE Mains examination and JEE Advanced exam. So all I want to say in this video is, all of you must be very demotivated. You might not be getting the marks you want in the mock test. You might not be having 100% preparation. You might not have covered your full syllabus. What I am saying is, it's fine. The most important thing for you is, what you're doing right now, are you giving your best? You cannot control the next exam results. You cannot control iiser aptitude test result. You cannot control NEET exam result. You cannot control any of the exam results. What you can control is what you're doing right now. Just think about your past. How much you were worried in your class 10th board? How much you were worried in your class 12th board? Did that help you at all? Most of the times when we are worried in our actual exams, it only makes it bad. I was so much stressed about my JEE Mains exams. I knew all the questions, but still I chose wrong options. Please don't let any of these exams define your happiness. I know it's hard, but one thing I want to share with you, which I realized after my drop year, after giving JEE Mains, Advanced, everything. Even before the results were announced, I was thinking only one thing. No matter what the result is, if I have suffered this much in my class 12th and drop year, there is nothing in this world that can stop me from achieving what I want. If I have gone through, all of you must have gone through a lot of struggles, a lot of family problems, a lot of financial problems. Coming from a village, I never shared with you all the problems which I have faced. I don't want to share with all of you. I don't want to share my problems publicly, which I have faced or which I am facing now. But I can tell you one thing, even before the result of the examination, JEE Advanced and NEST were declared, I was very confident. I have gone through a lot of things. I have literally like faced a lot of problems. So there cannot be any other problem in this world that can stop me from achieving my dreams. I just want you to have that confidence. No exam, no teacher, no one can demotivate you. I have so many things to say, but I can say these things for hours, but these are not going to matter. What is going to matter is just be in happy state, give your best. That's all that matters. Trust me. I have given all those examinations you have given. I have qualified for this. I have even done my college 5 years. I wanted to do something. Now I'm discovering more and more opportunities, and I'm going to make the best out of this life so that I don't regret later that I did not do what I wanted to do. Okay? So with that, all the best. Please trust yourself. Everything happens for a reason. You will thank yourself later, but don't regret later. Just give your best. That's all that matters. All the best.
कोई भी सपना साकार करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है सही कोच का होना। चुनिए SciAstra और करें अपने IIT and NISER का सपना साकार। Download the app now.
The guidance, we have courses in which we have got All India Rank 1, All India Rank 12.